Hey, knowledge lovers! Are you ready to bring your 3D creations to life? Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, Blender is one of the most powerful and versatile tools for 3D modeling, animation, and game development. And the best part? You can learn it online from anywhere in the world. In today's video, we're diving into the best Blender courses that will teach you how to create stunning 3D assets and integrate them into Unreal Engine for games and cinematic projects. All of these courses are completely online, come with certifications, and can be accessed from any country. And of course, the links to access each course are in the video description. Let's get started. 1. Blender to Unreal Engine. Become a dungeon prop artist. Packed. If you love creating immersive 3D worlds, this course is perfect for you. It focuses on building high-quality dungeon props, teaching you how to model, texture, and optimize assets for Unreal Engine. You'll go from basic modeling in Blender to exporting and setting up assets inside Unreal, ensuring they look great in real-time environments. This course is great for both beginners and intermediate artists looking to develop their skills in game asset creation. Whether you want to build dungeon environments, fantasy settings, or medieval structures, this program will equip you with the skills to bring your ideas to life. 2. Blender to Unreal Engine 5. 3D props, medieval windmill, packed. Medieval environments are a fan favorite in the gaming and CGI world, and this course will teach you how to create a stunning, game-ready medieval windmill from scratch. You'll learn how to model, UV unwrap, and texture assets in Blender before bringing them into Unreal Engine 5 for a polished, professional look. The best part of this course is its step-by-step guidance on asset creation. Whether you want to build an open-world game or enhance your 3D portfolio, mastering the techniques in this course will help you stand out as a 3D artist. 3. UE5, Beginner's Guide to Building a 3D Environment. Packed. If you're new to Unreal Engine 5 and want to create breathtaking 3D environments, this is the perfect place to start. This course will take you through the basics of UE5, covering topics like level design, lighting, and asset placement to help you create stunning game worlds. What's great about this course is that it doesn't require advanced modeling skills. You'll learn how to assemble and optimize assets, making it ideal for those who want to focus on world building. If you're interested in game development, this is a must-have course. I pause here to mention that if you want to take all these courses, you don't need to pay for them one by one. Just by purchasing the Coursera Plus subscription, you will have access to all these courses and more than 7,000. We will leave you the link in the video description at the best price. Let's continue. Number 4. Blender to Unreal Engine. 3D plants and vegetation, packed. Creating realistic vegetation is one of the biggest challenges in 3D art and game design. This course teaches you how to model plants, trees, and natural environments using Blender and seamlessly integrate them into Unreal Engine. You'll learn about procedural modeling, texture baking, and efficient rendering techniques to create lifelike foliage. This course is perfect for environment artists, game developers, and anyone looking to add stunning natural elements to their projects. If you've ever wanted to create lush forests, overgrown ruins, or detailed nature scenes, this course will teach you the essentials. 5. Blender 3 to Unreal Engine 5. Dungeon Modular Kitbash, packed. Modular kitbashing is a game changer for 3D artists and game developers. This course will teach you how to build a dungeon environment using modular assets, allowing you to reuse and rearrange elements to create endless variations of game levels. What makes this course special is its focus on efficiency and flexibility. By learning how to design modular assets, you'll save time and effort while creating highly detailed environments. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced 3D artist, this course will help you work smarter and faster. Remember, instead of paying for each one separately, you can subscribe to Coursera Plus, which gives you unlimited access to over 7,000 courses, including all of these Blender programs, for a single monthly or annual fee. It's the most cost-effective way to invest in your learning. I've included the link with the best price in the description below. Check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the best courses and career development tips. Until next time, knowledge lovers.